Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Keerthi Kumar, and in case if you're visiting my channel for the first time, or in case if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do consider hitting that subscribe button, guys. That means so much to me. And yesterday's video is all about the monthly favorites video, so the June favorites video, so where I'll be showing you guys the beauty and makeup stuff, some random stuff which are my June favorites. So yeah, without any further more delay, let's just get into the products part now. And the first product which I'm just like loving, like literally loving is, oops, it's the Maybelline Master Blur Stick. So this is like my recent, like pick from Maybelline. This is just like the best primer, like literally the best blur stick that I've used so far, guys. So previously I have used a pore filling primer, like something that will like blur out the pores from Benefit, but you know what, I was not so impressed with it. It's just good but not like really good, like what I mean. But this one is like bomb, you guys. It's like bomb. I mean, like, you know what, this just does the job like super good. This will blur out your pores up to like 80 to 90% of it, and this is like the best blur stick that I've used so far. It's like, it kind of like blurs the pores out, and it kind of like mattifies in that area, so on that pore area. So you know what, it will also work on like dry skin as well. I have like dry skin. It's not like an extremely drying formula. So when you just use a blur stick kind of like primer, it should basically mattify that area. If it just gives that, that oily texture over there, it will kind of enhance your pores back. It will not like decrease your appearance of pores. So this just like does the job super good. It just like blurs out the pores, and it kind of like mattifies in the area. So what I love to do is just like, I just love to apply this on the T-zone and on the areas where I have like this pores, like over here, and all of that. So it kind of mattifies the area and blurs out the pores in that part. And I just love the transparent one because it kind of suits like any skin tone. Yep, and this is in the shade called 100. And in India this is not available, guys. So there's another version of this one available. So there's a kind of like liquid primer or like a cream primer which is available in India, the same one, blur primer from Maybelline. The exact stick isn't released in India, I guess, but there is a kind of like a dupe for the, I mean like a closest one, which exactly is a blur stick from MAC as well. If you want like a high-end version of this one, you can check that out. But if you just want something from Maybelline, then you can try the cream or the liquid primer, the blur primer. So that's available on Nykaa. Another favorite product is this one, guys, is the Flower Beauty Concealer, the Light Illusion Concealer in the shade Medium Honey. Oh my god, guys, this is the best drugstore concealer that I've used till date. This is like super pigmented. It's a matte formula concealer, but it's not a drying matte formula concealer. It's working super good on my dry skin. So you can just like imagine it works on dry skin, oily skin, anything. It's not that drying matte formula, but it's like perfectly matte formula, and it gives like super good coverage, as that says. It's a full coverage concealer, and it does the job of like covering the dark circles, any blemishes of that part like really well. I basically use this for highlighting purpose, but it's like very good coverage, and the staying power is again like 100% super good, guys. So another product which I'm just like loving recently is this one. So this is the Steve Laurent jelly highlighter in the shade called Prosecco Please. I think that's how you pronounce it. That's the shade name. This is like the most beautiful jelly creamy highlighter that I've ever tried out, guys. So like, I basically like love highlighters, and can you just see that glow? It's like a very subtly glow, but it's perfectly creamy. It's not like a kind of powdery creamy, like what I mean. There are cream highlighters which just like feel like a little powdery texture to it, but this is like a very jelly kind of creamy. It's just like so good. It just like glides on the skin like super well. And you know what, these days when I'm just like when I'm just heading out, when I'm not putting like any makeup on my skin, what I'm doing is I'm just like applying this highlighter on all my high points like that on my bare skin without any makeup on, and I'm just like putting some lipstick on, mascara, eyebrows, and like done. Even if I'm like not doing my brows, you know what, I'm just like putting this highlighter, lipstick on, mascara. It's like, damn guys, it's like perfect jelly highlighter, like a perfect cream highlighter, and this complements my skin tone like really well. Again, the shade is called Prosecco Please. So yeah, another favorite. Then another favorite of mine is this one from Wet n Wild, guys. You know what, when I tried this eyeshadow palette, I was just like so super impressed that a drugstore eyeshadow palette has worked super good. I mean, like, you know what, there is no fallout. The colors are like really nicely pigmented. The shimmers are like really finely milled, and these shadows are actually very easy to work with. It's just like so close to that high-end kind of formulas. And I really like loved this eyeshadow palette, guys. This is in the shade called Nude Awakening. You know what, this is like a perfect kind of shade when you just want to use some nude looks, you know, like everyday kind of makeup looks or some nude party looks or something. You can just like really play with this palette. I have done like a dramatic kind of eye look with this palette as well. You know, just like you can work with nudes and create some dramatic looks, guys. I love this eyeshadow palette. It has got again like a good combination of matte shades in there, and also some good combination of shimmer shades in there. Let me just show that to you. So basically it has got like 4 shimmer shades, and it has got like 6. Oh, this is also shimmer, I guess. Yeah, it's not a I guess it has got like 5 shimmer shades and 1 2 3 4 5 matte shades. Yeah, balanced out. Another favorite product which I'm just so obsessed of is this one from Bath and Body Works. So I know this is like a not makeup product, but it's something related to Bath and Body. So it's actually a shower gel. This is the version like at the beach. So recently I'm just like drooling over the Bath and Body Works shower gels, guys. I mean, like, this one perfectly smells like, you know, that beachy watery vibe to it. You will literally feel like you are at that beach, you are at that water. It has got like very fresh smell to it. And let me just put this up here. I'm not really a huge fan of like fruity scents. I don't love anything that just comes up with like a fruity smell, because you know what, previously I have tried out the strawberry shower gel from Bath and Body Works. Sorry, not Bath and Body Works, what's that brand? The Body Shop. And you know what, I literally felt like, you know, I'm that walking strawberry. Like literally I felt like I'm that walking strawberry. It's like so intense. It's like so intensely strawberry. It's not like my kind of thing. Fruity scents are like not my kind of thing. I really don't love fruity smells. I love florals and something like subtler and something, you know, woody or musky kind of scents, but not fruity scents. And this one is just like so subtle. It's so fresh. It has that beachy fresh vibe to it. I like love this, you know, the shower gel from Bath and Body Works. And there is another one, my obsession from shower gel again. So this is called like 1 in a Million from Bath and Body Works. So this has like a very, you know, floral fragrance. It's just like a completely floral fragrance. Oh my god, it's just like so good, guys. So this is basically full-on floral fragrance, guys. It's like a jasmine. You get that jasmine smell out of it, and it's again like so fresh. It's just like so romantic, and I love jasmine smell. Basically I just like feel that it's like, it just gives that, you know, that romance vibe to it. This is my another favorite. So these are my 2 Bath and Body Works favorites for this month. And then another beauty makeup favorite is this one, guys. This one like right over here. This is the Laura Mercier Secret Under Eye Brightening Powder. This is in the shade, the shade number is like 1. So you guys know that if you are like, if you have been watching my older videos, you guys know that I love Kryolan Yellow Loose Powder, and this is again something that I've tried out recently, the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder for under eyes. And you know what, this just works super good, guys. It's like a white powder, but it doesn't leave any white cast. Because you know what, I have seen like few looks over Instagram where people are putting like a lot of that bright under eye thing and giving that white under eye thing, which went like crazy on Instagram. But I am not really a huge fan of like putting so much of white thing under my eyes. I like to brighten that up, but not like whiten that up, you know, like what I mean. This is like perfect, guys. Maybe if you're like little more darker onto the tan complexion, maybe you can try another shade from this. I guess they have like shades. I'll be putting that links to all these products in the description box below. You can check it out. And then another, you know, like makeup favorite is actually a brush. So this is again like my recent purchase. This is the Morphe brush. So this is their highlighter brush. The shade, sorry, the number is M532, and this is working super good, guys. So you know what, I just love to apply the highlighter with a precise fluffy brush. I don't like brushes that has like super volume fluffiness to it, because it caters like so much of area when you're applying highlighter. I want my highlighter to be like precisely on that high point area. I don't want it to go like all over my skin, because you know what, I have like a textured skin, so too much of highlighter all over this area doesn't look flattering on me. So I just love my highlighter to be like on point on this bridge bone area, like literally on this area, the highlighting area. And for that, I love using a precise fluffy blending brush, and I am not like really huge fan of using fan brushes. I don't know like why, I was not impressed with that, but I love fluffy brushes, and this one is like amazing. Again, guys, this is the Morphe M532 brush. Very nice for like highlighting your cheekbone and all of that. Like it perfectly fits in the highlighting area. And then another favorite product of mine is this one over here. This one is from Kylie Cosmetics. It's their velvet lipstick, actually velvet lip kit, in the shade called Candy K. It's a very beautiful like a nudie pink for the whitish complexion. So let me just put this right out over here, guys. It's super hard to find a perfect nudie pink or like a nudie colors for the whitish tan, medium tan complexions, because most of the shades out there look super good on fair complexions, but they don't really go well with the medium tan complexions. So they kind of like wash you out. But this one is like so bomb, you guys. It's like so perfect for the medium tan, like medium whitish complexions. What I love to do is I just love to use a lip pencil underneath, the same lip pencil, and then I love to apply this lipstick, so that the longevity of the lipstick is just like super good when you apply a lip pencil. And it's not like a drying matte formula on lips, which I liked. And like when I just applied this lipstick alone, like liquid lipstick alone on my lips, it didn't look like so flattering. But when I lined my lips with the same lip pencil and when I applied the lipstick on top of it, it kind of like looked super stunning on me. I really love this pinky nude. Can you just see that shade? It's a perfect pinky nude for the medium tan complexions. It's my recent obsessions, guys. It's like a very nice formula. It's not that drying matte formula, which I liked so much. The last product for this monthly favorites video is this one from e.l.f. guys. This is the e.l.f. matte liquid lipstick. So this is in the shade called Coffee. If you have watched my previous makeup tutorial, the drugstore makeup tutorial, you guys would have seen this, that you know I have used like this lipstick. Let me just give you a swatch of this quickly. So that's the shade over here. It's a very good coffee brownie color, which looks again super good on the whitish tan Indian complexion. And you guys know what, the formula of this lipstick is just like super good, guys. You know what, this is not like a sticky tacky kind of formula. It's like a perfect matte formula. It's not again like an ultra matte kind of formula, retro matte kind of formula. It's like a matte formula, good matte formula, and it doesn't stick your lips when you just do this. I have faced that problem with the Maybelline Matte Ink liquid lipstick. So this one right over here, I really love the shade range from them, but their formulation is like a little bad. But this one is like, the formulation is just like super good when compared to that lipstick, and this is priced again at a lesser price when compared to that lipstick, I guess. And I really liked this formulation and this color from this liquid lipstick, the e.l.f. liquid lipstick. The only little con that I have is that, you know, the applicator over here is not like so sturdy. When I'm just like applying this, it's kind of like moving, I think because of like this thing right over here, it's like moving. But you know what, that's not like really a big issue because like the formulation and the color is like super good, so that's not actually a big issue to consider. So yeah, these are the products which I'm just like, which are like my favorites for the month of June. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. In case if you do so, please do hit that like button, guys, and also please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. That means so much to me. And yes guys, we'll be seeing you soon with another video. And by the way guys, I have filmed the makeup tutorial of this look that will be up on my YouTube channel. So in case if you don't want to miss that out, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit that bell icon so that you can get notifications when I upload the new video. So that's all for this video guys. Also do follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is Keerthi Kumar Makeup. I'll be putting up many stories and 1-minute makeup tutorials over there. So in case if you don't want to miss that out, please do please do follow me on my Instagram, guys. So that's all for this video. We'll be seeing you soon with another video. Till then, have a great day. Bye.